Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Stitch Fix box for the month of February. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, accessories, jackets, whatever you want. And you can indicate in your profile the things that you want to have sent and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you're going to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and then you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least 1 item from your box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items, you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply your $20 styling fee. I no longer have that $20 styling fee for each box because a few years ago I was offered the Style Pass. And so basically the Style Pass is where you pay $49 each year to have unlimited fixes sent to you for the year. For this box, I did ask my stylist to send me some items for Valentine's Day, and so I was basically looking for, pink, red, purple, burgundy colored items that I could wear maybe for Valentine's Day. Stitch Fix is now offering a Fix preview, and when my stylist sent me my Fix preview, I did select 4 of the items that were in the preview to be in this box. There was a pink cardigan that I selected, and so I did ask my stylist to send me another top to go with that pink cardigan. So we're gonna get into the box to see what I got for this month. When you open up your box, it's gonna look like this. I see an advertisement for their freestyle shop, which I have used a couple of times. You're gonna have your prepaid mailer envelope. Shipping is free both ways for Stitch Fix, which makes it really nice and convenient. I love that you don't have to pay for the shipping. You're gonna have your envelope, and inside your envelope is your price invoice sheet. And this is Fix number 42 for me, so I've been doing this, I think, since September of 2018. You're also gonna have your Oh Hello card, and inside this card, you're gonna have a note from your stylist, but you're also gonna have the style cards for the items that are in your box. And so I have been lucky enough to have Kara as my stylist the whole time, and I'm gonna read my note from her real quick. Hi Jennifer, how are you and your family doing? Hopefully you are all staying safe with everything COVID still going on. I know you work in the schools, so I'm always thinking about you. Stay safe. You are so welcome for the Democracy jeans. You can never have enough of a style that fits you just right. I'm still on the search for the black booties you need, but don't forget you can always head over to the freestyle shop and see if there are any there that spark interest. Okay, let's dive in. I was hoping you'd grab the pink floral blouse, and what's even better, it has pearls around the neckline. You can definitely layer with the cardigan or try the bright pink Letty and Me one from Fix number 31. Even though the Yagavi blouse is similar, the ruffles are exquisite. Try it with the cardigan in this Fix or your purple cardigans. Happy Valentine's Day, Kara. And so here is my style cards for my pieces. And I love how she always gives me suggestions to pair the items in my box with other items that she has previously sent me. And here is my bundle, and you can see there's a lot of pink in here since I requested like pink and red and purples and things like that for Valentine's Day. So let's get into it. All right, first on top is by Karl Lagerfeld, Paris, the Gemini Pearl Detail Blouse, and it says in white, but it's mostly pink. And so it's this blouse right here. It's got that pretty kind of, I guess you would call that like a rose pink. I'm gonna get up close so you can see, but it has some tan and some white in the floral print there. It does have, I don't know if you can see that, the pearl details right there around the neckline, and it does have a tie at the neck. This feels like a polyester blouse, but I think it's just a really good work blouse. I really like the colors of it, so I'm excited to try that on. Next is a cardigan, and this is by Market and Spruce, the Vail Long Line Ribbed Cardigan in light pink. And it's really soft, and it has that ribbing detail, stretchy and soft. It does have the pockets. It's just an open front cardigan, no buttons or anything like that. I love pale pink for Valentine's Day, so I'm really excited about that. And I think that light pink will go with that kind of light pink or kind of tan looking color in that first blouse. Those two I selected. This next one was the additional item that she put in to match the cardigan. This is also by Karl Lagerfeld of Paris. The Yagavi button-down ruffle detail blouse in blush. This is more like a, kind of like a peachy pink. And so it has the ruffle detail right there. It's another polyester blouse. I do like the ruffles. I think they're very feminine. It has buttons going down the middle right there. I don't think you can see them because they're fabric covered. And it does have some of the purples that she was talking about. This is the one that she mentioned maybe pairing with one of my purple cardigans, so I will try that. So let's take a look at the floral print there. I do like the colors in this blouse a lot. And then I have two pairs of jeans, and the first one is by Liverpool, the Tinsley high-rise skinny jean in indigo. And I love Liverpool jeans. So here are the jeans. They're just a really nice dark wash. I don't have a lot of skinny jeans because it's hard to find skinny jeans that come in a long inseam. And I can't remember what the inseam was for this, but it says it's high rise. It does have a real working button and zipper right here. A lot of Liverpool jeans are pull-on. Has the two pockets in the back. Just a really nice dark wash skinny jean. I'm excited about that. And then she sent me a pair of black skinny jeans. This is by STS Blue, the Emma mid-rise ankle skinny in black. So here are the jeans. They're just a really nice dark black pair of jeans. There's no distressing or anything like that. They do have the pockets in the back. And they were also a good inseam for me. So I'm going to use these jeans to try the blouses on with the cardigan, and I will pull some of those cardigans that she mentioned to put over the blouses, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the first three items, and I have on the cardigan by Market and Spruce, the Vail long line ribbed cardigan in light pink. And then I have the blouse on by Karl Lagerfeld of Paris, the Gemini pearl detail blouse. And then I have on the first pair of jeans, which are the Liverpool Tinsley high-rise skinny jeans. So let's start with the cardigan. It is this really pretty light pink. I love the color. Reminds me of Valentine's Day for sure. It's very soft, very stretchy. It just is really soft and comfortable. It has the ribbing you can see on the sleeves, but it has the ribbing everywhere. It does have the pockets, and it's kind of like, it's not a shorter cardigan, but it's not a duster cardigan. It's kind of what I would consider to be like a mid-length cardigan. I really think it's pretty. What do you guys think? All right, let's talk about this blouse underneath. So here is the first blouse, and I do think that cardigan went pretty well with it because it's got like this rose pink, but then it's got like the lighter pink like the cardigan is, that light pink. It's got some white, a little bit of, I guess, brown and black in there. I'm gonna get up close so you can see. It has the tie at the neck with a little keyhole right there. And I don't know if you can see it, but the pearl details around the neckline, which I didn't know was on there when I looked at it in the preview. It's just a basic polyester blouse. Comes down a little bit longer in the back. So what do you guys think about this blouse? Do you like this? Like I said, I think it went well with the light pink cardigan, but she did suggest that I try it with a darker hot pink cardigan that I have, and so I did pull that, and I'm going to try that on here in just a second. The jeans are definitely high-rise. They come up probably maybe about an inch above my belly button. They are nice and stretchy. The length is great. It's hard for me to get skinny jeans that are long enough, so I like these. They're super comfortable. I think the wash is really good on them, so I'm gonna try on that hot pink cardigan with this, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with this dark pink cardigan that my stylist suggested, and she said to try the bright pink Letty and Me one from Fix number 31. So what do you guys think about this cardigan with this blouse? I think I prefer the lighter cardigan. I don't think this looks bad, but I think I just prefer the lighter color. But you guys tell me what you think. I'm gonna get up close so you can see. I just think that light cardigan has more of this color in it. So I think I prefer the lighter cardigan. But you guys tell me what you think, okay? All right, I'm gonna try on the next pair of jeans and that other blouse, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the next two items, and on top, I have the other Karl Lagerfeld Paris blouse. It is the Yagavi button-down ruffle detail blouse. And then on the bottom, I have the STS Blue Emma mid-rise ankle skinny. All right, so let's start with the blouse. It has like a peachy pink color. They called it blush, but in person, it kind of looks almost peach. It does have this ruffle detail here, and it has fabric buttons that actually go all the way down, and there's actually a split right here. I'm gonna get up close so you can see the floral print. So it has like some kind of purpley plum color in there with some of the cream, and there's some black in there. That's why I paired it with the black skinny jeans. Again, it's just a polyester blouse. It does come slightly longer in the back. What do you guys think about this blouse? Do you like the ruffle detail? All right, the jeans, another pair of jeans that fit really well. The length is good. They are mid-rise, so they come maybe slightly below my belly button. And I thought they paired well with this blouse because this blouse has a little bit of black running throughout the pattern. So this blouse, she suggested that I could put the pink cardigan on, or I could do one of my purple cardigans. So I'm gonna try the pink cardigan on first, and we'll see what we think, and then I'll try one of the purple ones. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I put the pink cardigan over top of this blouse. And what do you think about this combination? Do you think that this pink goes well with this blouse? Back up so you can see. Like I said, this blouse has kind of a peachy color to it, so I'm wondering if the purple cardigan will look better with it. So let's look at the cardigans I have. I have this one, and I have the speckled one. I'm gonna have to take a good look and see which one I think will look better with it. We might try both of them. So I'm gonna try the purple cardigan, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the first purple cardigan, and my stylist suggested I try one of my purple cardigans to go over top of this blouse. And I do think I prefer this blouse with a purple cardigan. What do you guys think? I'm gonna get up close so you can see the print with the cardigan. So I do think it brings out the purple really nicely in the floral print. This one has that pointel detail, has the pockets. So what do you think about this purple cardigan with this particular blouse? I do think I prefer it to the pink one. I'm gonna try the other purple cardigan and we'll see what we think. Be right back. All right, guys, second purple cardigan. And this one is one of the dark purple confetti cardigans. All right, so you can see the confetti cardigan here. It's got that dark purple, which kind of brings out the purple and the flowers. This one has the slips in the cardigan. So what do you guys think? Which purple cardigan do you prefer with this blouse? All right, I'm gonna get changed and I'll be back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. And overall, I think this was a fantastic fix. My stylist always does a great job of sending me the things that I'm requesting in my notes. Another great fix. So the first item on top is by Karl Lagerfeld of Paris. It's a Yagavi button-down ruffle detail blouse in blush. And that was this blouse right here. I thought it was a really pretty blouse. I thought it paired really well with the purple cardigans. Just tell me which purple cardigan you think looked best with this blouse. Now this particular brand tends to be a little expensive, so the cost of that blouse is $68. The second Karl Lagerfeld Paris blouse was a Gemini pearl detail blouse, and that was this one right here. A little more of a rose pink. It had the ties, another polyester blouse, and I really liked the way this one paired with a light pink cardigan. And this one's a little bit more pricey, and I'm guessing it's because of the pearl detail, $69.50. Next is the cardigan by Market and Spruce, the Vail long line ribbed cardigan in light pink. And I love this kind of light baby pink, and it's really soft and comfortable. And the cost of this is $48, and I think that's really reasonable for a cardigan. And then I have the two pairs of jeans, which both fit me very well. The first one was by Liverpool, the Tinsley high-rise skinny jean in indigo. And Liverpool's a little more pricey, but these are $78. I love the fit. I like the dark wash color of them. I do think they paired well with the blouses, so I like those. And then the last pair of jeans was by STS Blue, the Emma mid-rise ankle skinny jean in black. And these are a little more reasonably priced. They're $52. And I really like the way these jeans fit me. I like that they're dark black. I don't have a pair of dark black skinny jeans, so these are gonna fit in my wardrobe very nicely. And like I said, they're $52. And so my stylist pick subtotal was $315.50. If I buy all 5, which I'm leaning towards doing, I'll take off $78.88 for that 25% discount, which would leave me with an order subtotal of $236.62. I really like to keep my boxes around $200, but this is a little more pricey because of those 2 expensive blouses and 2 pairs of jeans. But I did have 2 people use my referral link, so I have $100 in credit, so I can take that off. So that's gonna leave me with an order subtotal of $136.62. I'm leaning towards keeping everything, but you guys tell me what you think. I am going to leave my referral link in the description box below. I do think I still have that $50 referral link still active. So if it's still active, I'll put that in the description box. And if it's not, it'll be $25. But that referral link allows you to waive your styling fee. And then it gives you $50 to apply to whatever you're keeping from your box. Remember, shipping is free both ways, and you're only going to pay for what you keep. So if you have any questions about Stitch Fix, let me know. And until next time, bye guys.